All right, Amanda, recipe number 1, turkey chilaquiles.
Lovely.
I've been practicing. All right, let's go.
Wonderful. So this is a protein-packed breakfast that will help you start your day on the right foot. So we are making this classic breakfast dish, but our spin today is with using leftover butterball whole turkey roast, which we've then shredded, so maybe leftover from a large family dinner.
This is brilliant. Brilliant use of the leftovers, right?
Wonderful. So first here we have our chips cooking. So you can bake these or we can fry them. I'm choosing to fry the chips just so that we are using the same pan, no extra dishes, easy morning.
Yeah, I love it.
Right.
And so you put a little oil in the pan, you fry them up a little bit.
Yeah, so they're looking nice and done here. So I'm just gonna remove them and let that oil come off just a little bit on our paper towel over here. And then again, little amount of dishes, so we're going to use the same pan here. So now I'm going to start off with my roasted and shredded leftover butterball turkey.
There it is. The question that comes to mind, though, is tryptophan.
Yes.
For breakfast?
Yes, you know what? You don't have to worry. It's a rumor about turkey, right? You've always heard that you eat your turkey meal and then you're feeling a little sleepy after.
Yeah.
Well, in fact, typically this tryptophan, which is an amino acid, actually will only make you sleepy if you're eating lots and lots and lots of it. And realistically, you're not going to eat that much.
Okay.
So typically, it's actually overindulging that is the culprit for feeling that. So whether you ate just too much food in general or maybe had a little bit too much wine, perhaps.
Never. Not me.
Right? So that's usually the culprit for that.
Other
So
people, but
for breakfast, it's totally fine.
okay.
So, and then to this pan with our roasted and shredded turkey, we're adding a red sauce. So this is like enchilada sauce. You're more than welcome to make your own.
Okay.
But you can also buy it very easily, already prepared in any major supermarket. And then we're just gonna mix that all up.
Okay.
So again, nice and simple breakfast for us here.
And I guess you can make your own enchilada sauce.
Absolutely.
Or you can also buy it, obviously.
Yes. But again, morning after, this is a nice, easy breakfast. I want it to be easy.
I understood.
Wonderful.
Yeah, I'm like, it's always nice to do the homemade thing, but convenience, and this is the thing about, the products that you use as well. The butterball turkeys are
Absolutely.
Get some incredible products.
Wonderful. And again, what I love about it is that it's prepared right here in southeastern Manitoba, which helps us to support locals. So
very
win-win
nice.
situation.
Okay,
Wonderful.
so I'm wondering, because we've got an egg going here,
Yes.
so I assume that has something to do with...
Yes, so our egg is almost done cooking here, but
Okay.
first we're gonna actually add the chips right back into the pan here.
Okay.
So we just crisped up our tortilla shells, and now we are going to sauce them up with that turkey and sauce mixture.
Okay, so then like the chips, they soften up, obviously.
Just a little bit, right?
Okay.
So we've crisped them up so they're not going to be soggy. If they're-
Super soggy, okay.
Yeah, so and then we'll just mix that all in here.
Okay.
And this is always the fun part.
Yeah, you need like,
We'll make a mess, that's okay.
I'm just gonna say I'll just eat
Oh
them.
yeah,
I'll just set
eat it later, absolutely. So we have enough sauce and turkey mixture to cover up all the chips here.
Right.
And we'll just put that mixture on the top. This is the most difficult part of the recipe, and if that's it,
Yeah, you need
this
like
is an easy one,
a
right?
pan, like about triple the size, right? Because you really want to get in there. And
Oh, we're doing it, absolutely fine.
the idea, for sure.
Right, so
Okay.
now we're pretty much incorporated here, and now it's time to plate it.
Okay.
So to make this a lovely breakfast option with our turkey here, I'm just going to take this plate, thank you so much, and my tongs, and then I'm just going to plate that.
Okay.
The chips with the turkey mixture.
Now we have this countryside farm Vita egg. And so does this go on next?
It does,
Okay.
it does. You read the recipe ahead.
I do my homework most of the time.
Well done. So this is a generous portion. It makes about for 4, but we can slide that egg right on top.
Okay.
Great.
Ooh.
Looking good.
Now what? Just whatever I want?
Absolutely.
On this chilaquile?
Yep.
Okay.
So like any classic Mexican dish, we can jazz it up how we like to our taste buds. So I've chosen some avocado here. I have cotija cheese, which is a classic Mexican crumbly cheese.
Right
But
on.
if you have cheddar at home, absolutely use that. It's
That
still
will do.
delicious.
Okay.
And then my favorite cilantro.
Cilantro. Beautiful. The I want to say Turkey, but Turkey Chilaquiles here on Great Taste of Manitoba. When we come back, we have these adorable Manitoba turkey ham and pineapple sandwiches when we come back from Great Taste of Manitoba.
You're watching Great Tastes of Manitoba, brought to you in part by the Government of Canada and Manitoba Agriculture and Resource Development through the Canadian Agricultural Partnership.